Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there. You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay 'em, but you won't take the sting out these words before I say 'em. Cause ain't no way I'ma let you stop me from causing mayhem. When I say I'ma do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me, so fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up, everything's stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be, without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts, don't try to ask him why or how can he. From Infinite down to the last relapse album, he's still shitting, whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he bows out or he shits his bowels out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the earth, he's got the urge to pull his dick from the dirt and fuck the whole universe. I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Just letting you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road. And shit, and cut the crap. I shouldn't have to rhyme these words in the rhythm for you to know it's a rap. You said you was king, you lied through your teeth. For that, fuck your feelings. Instead of getting crowned, you're getting capped. And to the fans, I never let you down again, I'm back. I promise to never go back on that promise. In fact, let's be honest, at last we laughed. CD was aired, perhaps I ran them accents into the ground. Relax, I ain't going back to that now. All I'm trying to say is get back, click, clack, clap. Cause I ain't playing around. It's a game called Circle and I don't know how. I'm way too up to back down, but I think I'm still trying to figure this crap out. Thought I had it mapped out, but I guess I didn't. This fucking black cloud still follows me around, but it's time to exercise these demons. These motherfuckers are doing jumping jacks now. I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Just letting you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road. And I just can't keep living this way. So starting today, I'm breaking out of this cage. I'm standing up, I'ma face my demons. I'm manning up, I'ma hold my ground. I've had enough, now I'm so fed up. Time to put my life back together right now. It was my decision to get clean, I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably did it subliminally for you, so I could come back a brand new me. You helped see me through, and don't even realize what you did. Cause believe me, I've been through the ringer, but they can do little to the middle finger. I think I got a tear in my eye, I feel like the king of my world. Haters can make like bees with no stingers and drop dead. No more beat flingers, no more drama from now on. I promise to focus solely on handling my responsibilities as a father. So I solemnly swear to always treat this root like my daughters and raise it. You couldn't lift a single shingle on it. Cause the way I feel, I'm strong enough to go to the club or the corner pub and lift the whole liquor counter up. Cause I'm raising the bar. I shoot for the moon, but I'm too busy gazing at stars. I feel amazing and I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Just letting you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road.
Give me that bass, 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 give me that bass. bass.
Look, if you a god, homie, I'm a non-believer. That sacrificial lamb, I'll turn that hoe into a diva. Watch, wrist rocking, I flip-flop them like cameos. We molly whopping, she read, moving in pantyhose. These girls get wet when I flow so slick, when I do it all slick and shit. Back to the crib, basically play, do it so good, you can take it to the bank and shit. I get it, got 'em and shake 'em because I'm good at it. Pussy feeding, get craving just like a drug addict. I climb on top and get to beating like a mad addict. Climaxing, acting, breaking back, and we call it love sacking. Afterwards, we get to smoking on that green wrapper. That means that sticky, icky, chronic, you need a wet napkin. Shimmy and arc like to catch 'em in the parking lot. Tell 'em stop and get the cut like a barbershop. And we ain't caring if it's dark or not. I tell her, give me that bass and get to knocking them socks.
Give me that bass. 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 Give me that bass.
Got my mind on my bread, got these hoes on my tip. Them haters pray that I stop it, I'm just sowing the mix. I need some smoke for the road, homie, throw me a zip. She say she ain't no groupie, I told her don't even trip. Lit, smoking presidential with a Condoleezza. And I got the hollow tips for the non-believers. If I walk it, I talk it, I got a lot of sneakers. Martin Payne got a Pam, I'm trying to knock a Gina. You Tommy and Cole, probably, I'm out of my dome, right from out of the stove, off of the table, nose diving. If I won the lotto, I buy a dozen condos, and every hood ride a bottle with some cheap Moscato. From up here, I don't see any haters. I needed some paper, got an OZ in the pager. I'm in the diamond lane getting faced. Niggas hate, got that semi on my waist. Bitch, give me that bass.
Give me that bass. Give me that bass. Give me that bass. Give me that bass. Give me that bass. Give me that bass. Give me that bass. Give me that bass. Give me that bass. Give me that bass. Give me that bass.
They say I'm Charlie Sheen winning, kicking it with women, we spinning, removing linen. How you feeling, huh? Feeling fucked up? Yeah, I'm off the ace of spades. Two girls in the back doing figure eights. Yes. We like to fuck them right here, that's what her say. And I don't care what the brand on her purse say. I'm at the back of her neck, call it super fade. I go exploring in that pussy like an escapade. Climb in front, give me bass in this Escalade. Yeah. She giving brain to a student with some bad grades. From the back like me pulling on them long braids. Killing pussy like my middle name was OJ. Leaving smears on your bathroom floor. Your baby daddy coming home, slam the bedroom door. Huh? You like to fight, I like to fuck you on the floor. Take them back, bitch. I'm with the girl next door. What?
Give me that bass. 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 Give me that bass.
I feel like Alfalfa from the Little Rascals. Oh shit. New Rick's bringing you another one. Look, give me that bass, and I ain't talking about that thump in the trunk. I'm talking for all my girls that got that